Hello guys, hello my people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Caroline as usual. I know I've just lost too much in this channel, but I'm back guys. So watch the video to the end and see what I'm bringing for you today. Guys, today I just want to demolish my house, the one that I'm staying right now, but I'll just demolish half of it, then I'll be staying in the other half. So I just want to do it with you guys. I have some guys at work who are doing the work. For me, I'll just be checking on them and cooking for them. I'll show you what I'm cooking for them. So guys, follow every step. Guys, I'm very sad because I'm demolishing my house. But there is no otherwise. I have to do so that I can be able to migrate to the other place I have been showing you. So guys, follow every step, watch the video to the end, like, share, subscribe if you have not. And I'll be so grateful. And guys, I've just decided to eat a piece of watermelon to quench my thirst. It's very hot today guys, so I just want to quench my thirst. It's very sweet. And guys, because when people are at work, you have to cook for them. I'm just cooking githeri. This is what I'm cooking them for lunch. Githeri. Githeri is just a mixture of maize and beans. So guys, I want just to show you around so that you can see how the work is going on. So guys, you can just imagine demolishing this big house, but I have to do so because I don't have otherwise. Guys, today I've just taken my cow outside to graze on this grass. It has stayed a long time in the cow shed, so today I've just decided, because it's sunny day, I will take it out so that it can have some sun and eat this grass around the house.
Mind the meva. Oh, what's leaving?
Oh, yeah. So guys, this was my master bedroom. This is where I was sleeping. And guys, this is what has been done for today. Yeah, so I think the next day they will come. They will finish this part that they have removed the roofing. Yeah, and the other part over there, the one that has iron sheet, is the one that I will be staying for the time being. Yeah, so I will just demolish this part and leave this one because this is where I will be staying. Yeah, so guys, so far so good. Yeah, I think I will just end the video there, guys. I'll be showing you every bit of the step. Yeah, so guys, till the next video, for now it's a bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment.